Okay. All right. So on example 2, if they said find f prime of x, okay, well then I'm going to say let y equal x squared minus x also be called f of x. All right, just to be, technically correct. Okay, so then if that's the case, then f prime of x will equal the limit as h approaches 0 of, and I'm going to go ahead and substitute in. It's going to be x plus h squared minus x plus h. All right, let's change colors for the second half of the difference quotient here. Minus x squared minus x. Okay. Over h. Okay. All right. So let's clean this up. Do I have room there? I'll go right here. All right. So this is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of, all right, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x minus h minus x squared plus x. Ha! That's always fun to me. Now, everything in the numerator that does not have an h should go away. So it does. X squared, we'll see ya. Negative x, we'll see ya. All right, and so then I'm left with an h that I can factor out of everything in the numerator. So that gives me 2x plus a single h minus 1. All right, got to be careful on that because we're dividing that by, you're factoring, you're dividing. So h divided by h is 1. All right, and so then on the bottom is the h that's going to cancel with the 1 that I just factored out. Yaha, yaha. And now notice this. Once I say equal to and I don't write the limit anymore, that happens at the moment I substitute in. Okay, I couldn't do it until this point. All right, so now I can do it because if I substitute the 0 in for the h, you're left with 2x minus 1. And there we go. Which could also be called y prime. It could be called dy dx. Dy dx. I mean, it could be called the derivative with respect to x of f of x. These are all the same thing, just different ways of saying the same thing. And those are the most common ones. I mean, f prime of x is popular, y prime is popular, dy dx is popular, and this one's good too because it's kind of a combination of several of these because that y then has become f of x, so think of it like a fraction. All right, and there we go. So that's example 2.